Hello everyone, welcome to the week 14 check-in. Appreciate all your hard work so far. I just want to offer a reminder, be sure to do exam 2 before Sunday. Exam 2 is due Sunday. It's very important that you finish it on time. I don't want anyone to have points deducted because they didn't finish it. So exam 2 due Sunday. This week is just kind of a study week for your final exam. However, you still have review questions for Chapter 11 due this week. There's no lecture, which is nice, right? But there are still review questions for Chapter 11. So just take a look at the chapter and take those questions. They're not super hard this week, so you should be able to fly through them. And also study for your final exam. I issued a wide array of things to study for in regards to the final exam. It's a study guide. It's in the course announcement page. So be sure to do that as soon as possible. The final exam will open probably around midweek. I'll put out a notice and put, of course, the code to get in. However, be sure to study for it now because I want you to do well in this. This can really hinge on a great grade for you, and I think the majority of you are right on that cusp. So do a great job in the final exam. You should be good to go. As soon as you take it, I'll grade it, and your semester for this class will be in the books. So take your time and study for this week, and I really look forward to you doing well. If you need anything, please let me know. Thanks for all you're doing. Reach out anytime.